Start. As the situation in Bangladesh remains tense, Chief of Defence Staff within bracket CDS General Anil Chauhan on Thursday said the instability in our neighborhood is a cause of concern and flagged the threat on the western and northern borders. The world is in the most violent phase of its existence since World War II, he said at the Ammunition India conference organized by the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. India has its own share of security challenges. We have a proxy war waged by Pakistan in Jammu and Kashmir, whose sudden escalation we are now seeing south of Pir Panjal. The prolonged border dispute with China is yet to abate. These are two major security challenges that we face. The instability in our neighborhood is another cause of concern for us, General Chauhan said. He said a large nation such as India, with an abundance of security problems, could not remain dependent on foreign imports for fighting wars or sustenance, especially given that global security and governance were in a state of flux and India had live borders with unresolved problems. India's quest for indigenous is central to maintaining this strategic autonomy. He said nothing that the whole concept of Atmanirbharta goes beyond defense manufacturing. If we have to translate Atmanirbharta only in defense or ammunition manufacturing, it is complete sovereignty over the product cycle, he elaborated. General Chauhan said the vagaries, volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity world are impacting global defense supply chains, especially for ammunition. The global arms industry was grappling with this widened gap between demand and supply, and the reliance on imports to bridge this